Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have our weekly update that is arriving usually on Tuesday but sometimes Wednesday for the Google Chrome web browser, and Chromium browsers of course will follow this week. So if you go into the Google Chrome browser, upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, go into Help and About Google Chrome. You will have the update to 137.0.7151.119 or 120. That depends on Linux, Mac, or Windows. So what's in here on security updates? Well, 3 high severity security flaws are fixed. Once again, the scripting engine V8 is another fix this week. It is pretty much every week that there's something to fix there. There's also 2 other security fixes. All 3 are high severity, so that means that they are easy to exploit. Doesn't seem to be anyone or any of the flaws that are critical or 0 days or exploited in the wild already. So that's the good news. Of course, that means that your Chromium browser, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, Edge, and so on, are all going to have an update in the coming hours or days. So it depends on each browser how fast the updates are, and that is important. If you want to stay safe, make sure that this is up to date, because it's your first line of defense. The updates are the number one reason you stay safe. Then it's what you do, not the antivirus. So it's very important to understand that. So check out Google Chrome update, and of course if you're using a Chromium variation of the update, do check it out to make sure that you update your browser this week. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.